Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about MPVs in the market, the Toyota Innova Hycross. A perfect blend of power, efficiency, and luxury. This MPV has redefined family travel with its hybrid, technology, and premium features. Let's break down everything you need to know before getting behind the wheel of this impressive machine. Starting with the exterior, the Innova Hycross takes a bold departure from the traditional boxy MPV design. It features a more SUV-like stance with a large front grille, sleek LED headlamps, and a muscular bumper that gives it a commanding road presence. The sculpted lines on the hood and side profile enhance its aerodynamics, making it not just a people mover but a stylish family car. The 18-inch alloy wheels on the higher variants add to the rugged appeal, while the wide LED taillights at the rear give it a premium touch. Toyota has clearly focused on giving the Hycross a modern and aggressive look, making it a head-turner in its segment. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more luxurious and high-tech than ever before. The dashboard is well laid out with a large 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The center console is neatly designed with soft touch materials, giving it an upmarket feel. The captain seats in the second row offer an incredible lounge-like experience, especially with the ottoman function in the higher variants. Space has always been a highlight of the Innova, and the Hycross continues that legacy with ample legroom in all three rows. The panoramic sunroof adds to the airy and premium feel, while features like a powered driver's seat, dual-zone climate control, and a 9-speaker JBL sound system ensure maximum comfort for long journeys. Under the hood, the Innova Hycross is powered by a 2.0-liter hybrid petrol engine paired with an eCVT gearbox. This strong hybrid setup delivers a combined output of around 184 PS, ensuring a smooth and fuel-efficient drive. The transition between electric and petrol power is seamless, offering excellent refinement and impressive fuel efficiency with figures of around 21 kmh/pl in real-world conditions. The TNGA monocoque platform has also improved ride quality, making it more stable and car-like compared to the older ladder-frame Innova. The steering is light yet responsive, and the suspension does a fantastic job of absorbing bumps, making it a comfortable cruiser for city drives and highway journeys alike. Unlike the previous diesel-powered Innova, the Hycross feels more refined and quiet inside the cabin, enhancing the overall driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the Toyota Innova Hycross is positioned as a premium offering in the MPV segment. The price starts at around $919 lakh for the base petrol variant and goes up to $30 lakh for the fully loaded hybrid variant. While it's more expensive than the previous generation, the hybrid tech, premium features, and enhanced comfort justify the cost. Toyota's strong reliability, excellent resale value, and a widespread service network add to its appeal, making it a solid investment for families and business buyers alike. Overall, the Innova Hycross is a game-changer in the MPV space, offering SUV-like styling, a tech-laden premium cabin, a fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain, and Toyota's legendary reliability. It's the perfect upgrade for those looking for a blend of performance, efficiency, and luxury in one package. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next video.